These are the rich valleys of Afghanistan, rich and abundant in natural resources. In 2012, Central Asian Mining Services was established to assist in identifying those resources both here and in the region. Through the exploration stages and further, CAMS is here to help develop this sector and en route strengthen the growing Afghan economy. CAMS is a full-service drilling and mining support company operating to the highest of international standards. The team consists of internationally respected geologists and drillers from across the globe, combined with Afghan professionals and operations staff who strive to provide premium quality service in Afghanistan's challenging geographic and political environment. CAMS' highly specialized team and in-country equipment offers exploration drilling services that include overall drilling program design and management, deep diamond core and reverse circulation drilling, scout rig drilling and downhole surveys, core cutting and sampling. For drilling all year round, CAMS is equipped with the personnel and necessary equipment to drill in harsh winter climate conditions, and the CAMS team is experienced to tackle the challenges in the remotest part of the region, offering heli-portable capabilities. With its team of respected international and Afghan geologists, CAMS provides a full suite of exploration, geological and geophysical surveys which are tailored for the unique terrain of the region and include multi-commodity mineral target selection and geological mapping, soil and trench sampling, bulk sampling both hard rock and alluvial, project evaluation and scoping studies. To maximize efficiency and production while maintaining fluid operations in the field, it is imperative to set up a mobile base camp. Whether for shorter-term exploration or longer-term semi-permanent projects, CAMS provides full-service base camp facilities starting with pre-site recon to base camp installations, canteen services and operations. To operate safely in Afghanistan's current environment, CAMS provides on-the-ground security solutions, including town-based and field camp security, mobile field exploration, as well as UXO field identification and clearance. CAMS recognizes the importance of gaining the trust and support of the local communities in which it operates. To do so, CAMS strives to give back to the community by providing scaled infrastructure projects in order to better the lives of the people whom we encounter. Equally important, CAMS aims to integrate the local population in its operations by hiring as many local individuals to the team and providing on-the-job training with longer-term employment opportunities. With its expertise, commitment and past performance in country and the region, CAMS has all the advantages for your exploration, drilling and mining support needs. For more information, please contact us at info@cams-mining.com or visit us at www.cams-mining.com.